Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the GJAGXQ 2PCS Barstools bar chairs in home kitchen. If you're in the market for a high-quality, adjustable, and comfortable kitchen chair, then you're in the right place. These bar chairs are designed with soft leather cushion and high ribbon sponge, ensuring a thick and comfortable stool surface that won't deform even after long periods of use. The adjustable height, 60-80 cm, makes it suitable for a variety of table heights, and the 360 rotatable feature adds convenience to your dining or kitchen experience. Not only are these bar stools ideal for home kitchen use, but they're also perfect for cafes, bars, and even milk tea shops. The non-slip feature on the base helps prevent scratches on the floor and harsh sounds when moving the chair. Installation is a breeze with all parts and instructions included, and if you have any specific product queries, our professional team is here to help. So, if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen or dining experience, click the link in the description below to get your hands on the GJAGXQ 2PCS Barstools bar chairs in home kitchen. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.